Hello everybody and welcome to a quick introduction video of AMALYZE and what kind of products and services we offer. AMALYZE Chrome extension for all marketplaces offers the possibility to check indexing of keywords for Amazon products quickly and easily, regardless if you're searching for titles, bullet points, the description of the product, or extended content such as A+ or enhanced brand content. Everything can be checked immediately in terms of findability. In addition to this, you're able to monitor Amazon's customer search intentions. Using the integrated suggest analysis tool, the results are provided in real time in an easy-to-use plugin Excel sheet. With AMALYZE Shield, your tool for Amazon, you'll be able to track more than 2.3 billion ASINs worldwide. Using this platform, data analysis is possible with ease and without any problems. With the free of charge access possibility, you have all functions permanently available without any time restrictions. But AMALYZE is much more than just a simple tool. We are the toolbox for all Amazon sellers, regardless if you're private label sellers, FBA sellers, merchants, or vendors. Shield will help you with Amazon search engine optimization, product search, market analysis, product finding, and ranking optimization.